Hello everyone, this is Sajjad from OneCode and I'm recording this quick demo of one of the templates that we just put out there on Bubble Template Library. This is us, OneCode. At OneCode we are doing bubble development and also using some other tools as well. We have a pretty cool portfolio which you can go and have a look. But let me quickly jump to the template itself. Let me log it out and then try to show it to you from the very start. So it has a sign up flow. Template test. Let me put the first name, then template at gmail.com. Password. We can have a strong password here. You can view it. Yeah, sign up, and it will create an account for me. So this is it. This is not. This is using ChatGPT API at the back end, and it is giving me prompt about my health. I am feeling good. Thanks. Okay. Let's see what's the answer. Yeah, I get the response from the chat GPT. So yeah, I can chat with this prompt. And then there is another thing in this template is the subscription based thing. As you can see, I have used 48 out of 1,000 words. This API is paid, so maybe someone would want to offer some subscription to their users. So for subscription, we are using Stripe. Let me update my subscription. These 3 subscriptions are created on Stripe. I'll show them to you. If I go to get started, this is test mode and I can enter a card, which is a test card. So I'm not worried if you can use it. So, this is now updated. My subscription is successful. If I go back and see if it is 48 of 50,000 words. So, yeah, I am now subscribed to a different plan. And again, I can also, using the same Stripe integration, I can view my past invoices, like what was paid, what kind of package I bought. And if I go to this, yeah, I can, this is pretty cool integration as well. And then I can also see saved chat, like a chat history, which I can remove. I can change my profile. These are some pretty basic features which I'm using here. I can upload anything here. Yeah, it will work. The another cool thing about this template is that it's totally responsive. That means if I try to see the responsiveness, yeah, as you can see, it's pretty responsive. And yes, so this is it. And I can also log out and see how the sign up and sign in pages are looking. Forget password is there as well. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It has all the thing needed for anyone to quickly go live with such integrations. So let me quickly show you like how I am how we have integrated these things and how we can set up. The first thing is ChatGPT. You don't need to worry about that much if you guys are familiar with with the plugin, which is API connector. You will go here, you will add this OpenAI API. You will integrate. You will enter the endpoint, which you can easily can get from the Chat GPT itself, or this OpenAI API platform as well. So first thing you need is the test key. You can create new secret key. It's free for some time for new accounts. Like I have $5 here, which I can use. So I think for testing purpose, it's pretty cool. You can get the test keys, and then you have to put a test key here in the template itself with a bearer token, and there you go. It will start working. And whenever I will basically trigger this API from, or this flow from the workflow, when I am hitting enter here, you know. So yeah, that's how it's working. And if I talk about the Stripe integration, for Stripe, You can get a developer account and you can create test keys. These are all test keys. And you can then, you also have to create a product and its pricing. As you can see, I've created four pricings, one for monthly with pro package, and one yearly with pro package, and same for the premium package as well. So these, you can say, four packages are there in the app. If I show you here, um, here in the subscription, if I change subscription, these are the four packages: monthly pro, monthly premium, yearly pro, and yearly premium. Free packages doesn't count, they are not integrated with it. For the Stripe integration, what you need to do is you need to use this Stripe plugin API. You need to put your secret keys and public and publishable keys. Publish, you can get them from your Stripe portal. That's pretty easy. But this is for test environment. And if you, for example, are looking for if you are looking for live environment, then you will have to generate the live keys as well. Yeah, this is test mode, and if I go, I'll get the keys and everything. So yeah, I think this is in Stripe's documentation. You can get that quite easily. The other thing I wanted to show was this affiliately integration, which is affiliate program. Here you have this, and you will get their integration from here. If you go to integration, you need to create an account, and then you can, follow the instruction. You just need to use the JavaScript code. Basically, you don't have to do anything. You just have to know like where to change things. If I go to, for example, the checkout page, which is this pricing page, and if I go here, it will its workflow will let me know how to change this affiliately subscription for your accounts. So JavaScript flow, here I am using this script copied from my affiliately account integration page, and I can simply copy it from here and then paste it here. The only thing that I need to change is the subscription ID and the order ID. These are unique IDs, which are, for me, they are coming from Stripe account. So yeah, these are the integrations. And when you start this template from the beginning, you will see that things are not working because you need to set up few things at the start in database. The most important is the subscriptions that you will create in Stripe. So how to do that? We have an admin panel here. For example, if I go to admin panel, it will show me this admin panel where I can, see the users, tools, category, plans, features. So I need to create these plans. Yeah. So if I, let's say, for example, want to change pro plan, and I also need to provide Stripe ID and Stripe ID for yearly price and monthly price, which I earlier showed you here, where I created payments. And yeah, this one, if you go here, it will give you it will give you an ID or something. Where is it? I am unable to locate it, but yeah, under this, I think my package. I'll have to check. But yeah, somewhere here, you can basically get those IDs, right? You can check the documentation. I set it up a while ago. Yeah, I think here is the card, the customer, yeah, invoice and stuff like that. I think these are used here. But anyways, I think you can look at the documentation and get these keys and link them here as well, so that when you are, checking out those packages, they are correctly working. So it's really important to create these packages here. Otherwise, your integration won't work, because these are saved in the database and then they are retrieved upon checkout. So if there is no, for example, pricing plan here with the right keys, as you can see, monthly pricing key, and this and number of tokens. This is all really important to get this going. So yeah, this is our template. I want you to go out, check it out, and then you guys can give us feedback or contact us. If you have any queries, you can leave comments on the template page and let us know. What do you think? If you have any problem, just reach us out. Thank you.